Good day for everybody. I am happy to welcome you at the channel Knitting Lessons at Home. Lesson 28. The sock. Final. Knit a toe. How to knit a sock to the heel and how to knit a boomerang heel can be found at the links in the description. How to determine when it's time to start knitting a toe. Somewhere I see that you need to knit up to the end of the little finger and go to the descent. I knit to the beginning of the nail on my little finger and proceed to the descent. We knit one knit loop, then two knit loops together. Turn the first one, remove the knit loop for the front stitch, return it back to the left knitting needle, turning it, and knit two knit loops together for the back stitch. We knit the row to the next decrease. We make decreases strictly on the sides, therefore we knit 14 loops. At the end of the row, without finishing 3 loops, we make a decrease. We knit 2 together knit loops for the front stitch, 1 knit loop. Go to the next half of the sock. We also knit at the beginning of the row 1 knit, 2 knit together, turn the first one, behind the back stitch, 14 loops. Two knit together, 1 knit. We knit the next circle without any decreases. We will reduce loops through one row, through one circle. When the knitting needle will remain half of the original number of loops, in our case 5 loops on each of the 4 knitting needles, go to the decrease in each row. When 2 loops remain on each knitting needles, we knit 2 together as it's more comfortable for any stitch. 2 more together, close. We stretch one loop through another as we close a row. Next 2 together, close. And the remaining 2 together, close. Cut the thread. Where to hide the end of the thread? We take the hook. It's more convenient, but you can also use a knitting needle. Stretch the end inside and hide it, stretching it between the loops. Also hide the end at the beginning of the sock. Our socks are ready. Do you like the video? Put likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.